kids! Today we will learn action verbs. So let's start. I am eating.
I am eating.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am running.
I am running.
I am catching.
I am catching.
I am hitting.
I am hitting.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am drinking.
I am drinking.
I am playing.
I am playing.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am washing.
I am washing.
I am crying.
I am crying.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am cleaning.
I am cleaning.
I am cutting.
I am cutting.
I am stitching.
I am stitching.
I am talking.
I am talking.
I am teaching.
I am teaching.
I am working.
I am working.
I am watching.
I am watching.
I am kicking.
I am kicking.
I am throwing.
I am throwing.
I am shooting.
I am shooting.
I am painting.
I am painting.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am laughing.
I am laughing.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am crawling.
I am crawling.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
I am cooking.
I am cooking.
I am thinking.
I am thinking.
I am climbing.
I am climbing.
I am driving.